Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and installing this Lithonia lighting LED exit emergency light combo with adjustable optics, so I can switch it from red to green. So let's get started with the unboxing. I'm going to wire this up. Even though it's a direct wire, it is perfectly safe to wire it up, so that's what I'm going to do, since it's going in my bedroom above the door up there. Sorry. So, yeah, let's get started with the unboxing. My tripod is coming apart. Yeah. So, what's up? So, when we first open it, we have our plastic film. We don't need that. We have our two emergency lights and our little baggie of stuff. In this little baggie here, we have two wire nuts, our mounting bracket, our little cradle for ceiling mount, which I'm not going to do, and two screws, along with the instruction manual. So let's push this stuff back, and we'll start unboxing the sign itself. So hopefully you guys can see all this. So first thing first, I gotta get these out. So these will just push right through there. So now we have the exit sign. So, oops. Let's take this out. And take all this other stuff out real quick. Move the box out to the side. There. So, first we have our exit sign itself. We have cardboard shavings in there. Okay, this is upside down. Oops. So, right here, we got our two lights, which will go on the sides. We got our switch for red and green. Battery, right, this is the battery. Two wires, our common and our 120 to 277 volt AC. And then we have our other power supply right there. So, also, we have, for a ceiling mount option, we get two of these, which you can switch out with two of those. We're just going to use one, and we're going to make it green. So, let's do that real quick. So, basically, also, since it's going in my room, I don't want it to be too bright at night, so I have this little film cut out. It's just a piece of paper. It dims it quite a bit, but you can still see through it. So let's first switch out to green. To do that, you just have to do this. You just have to take it out of its little pins and hooks. Pretty simple. I was supposed to do this video yesterday, but then we had family come over and I didn't have time to do it. So this is out. We're not going to be using any arrows, but if we were, they would just pop right out like that. So let's get those back in. Yeah, see, and then if you accidentally pop these out, you can just put them back in really quickly by just snapping it into the tabs. Alright. Now, let's install our green. So it'll go on like this. Okay. So I'll put it inside of the tabs first. Our little hooks, and then we'll pop it into the tabs. I put that on backwards. Whoops. There we go. And snap those in. There we go. Now, we'll put our piece of paper in, which will basically just go like this in there. There we go. Sorry for that. And there. So now that's in. Let's put the lights, let's connect the lights to the sign. So basically, we'll just push these wires in. We'll pull them in, I should say. And then we'll just put it in the side here. So, oh wait, the wire's not operating. There we go. Put it in the side there, and then just turn it. Snaps right in. So these are adjustable. I can adjust it in any way I want. So do that. If I were ceiling mounting it, I could also put it in backwards like that, but I'll just get the other one in. Boom. Okay. So, also, I'm going to, instead of drilling a hole to get the wires out, since we're not mounting it on a junction box, I'm just going to pop this top tab open and put the wires through it. Like that. Perfect. So now, I'll be back in a minute for installing it. Okay, guys. That's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to do something with this wire eventually, but I have it all set up. So thank you guys for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Also, before you go, I was using this camera, the Picasso EK7000 4K camera. I was using to record with this head thing. Not sponsored. This is not sponsored in today's video. Just wanted to tell you, so have a great rest of your day. Bye.